Hello and good afternoon. We are the team number 2, confirmed by Daniel Avalos, Karime Bañuelos, Cesar Barraza, Sebastián Duarte, Cristian Rodriguez, and myself, Jose Gonzalez. We are going to present to you the business plan for the production of wheat flour for the company Molinos, Especias y Pinole Don Gil. First, we will begin explaining our flowchart.
Here we have the flowchart of the whole logistic process, and the first step is to identify a new business unit in our company, in the company. The companies are always looking for a new way to innovate their products to continue selling or to create new products to continue generating income. And then the company has to justify the ability of the new business unit to check with service and quotations if the product and the company will have success. The next step, it is important that the company have their own goals. Those have to be real, measurable, and achievable according to have success. And then we have the market segmentation. The company has to know what its potential customers will be thanks to the market segmentation.
After that, we have the promotion. It is important that the company and the product are known in the city so that the company has more customers and more sales. The use of social networks can increase these numbers. The customer must have the need to want to buy the wet flour, and it is important that the company and the product are known so that they are an option when buying. If the customer does not have the need, the process does not continue. But if the customer does, the process continue. Uh, After that, the customer has several options to order by mail, phone, or in person. In the receipt of the purchase orders, the company receives the orders that the customers place.
Is there no raw material? No.
If there is not enough raw material, then you will first order new raw material. After you have ordered it, you will receive the raw material. Once you have received it, you will store the material. In this step, you will store it either in your warehouse or in a specified location by your company. From there on, you will go to the production of the wheat flour.
Is there no raw material? Yes. Is the production of wheat flour. Here, the company is responsible for producing the raw material, implements the use of machinery, raw material, and labor, following protocols, process, and a step up for a high quality in the process. The product of the packaging. The product will be packaged in a white raffia bags that will have a capacity of 44 kilograms. And then sealing of sacks that some mills are in charge of grinding, packaging, and selling, but the company does not have this type of machinery, so they are in charge of selling.
And then the company has to put the products in the warehouse in order to protect them and have the products in control. The next step is that the company will have their customers and they have to create new ways to take it to the customers. That is the product distribution.
Next, our delivery system can be done either home service or face-to-face service. If face-to-face service, the clients are going to go straight to our facilities. Otherwise, home service, we are going to provide the product until our client's door. And as a result, we are going to receive confirmation from them.
For the last step, we need to check out if the product has any anomalies. If it doesn't, we need to give the product to the customer, and we need to check out the satisfaction of the customer about the product. Or in the other case, if the product has any anomalies, we need to check the product, change the product, and then give the product to the client. And finally, check if the client is satisfied with the product he received.
Justification. The idea to be applied in Molinos, Especias, y Pinole Hill is the sale of wheat flour because the company has the facilities and machinery necessary to make it happen. Plus, they are willing to get new mills to optimize the production. The company must set their goals that must be achieved. They must be able to track them in order to provide improvement. What makes a business work are our customers. Hence, a segmentation must be carried to bring in potential buyers or strengthen loyal former customers.
Process improvements. For the following section, we will explain how some areas inside the process will be improved and how these ones will impact the company. First, we have the product promotion. As we all know, the technologies has changed the way we live and see things nowadays. It is important for any business in the world to adapt to these new changes. That's why we will implement new skills to promote the old and new products the company comes with. And with the help of social media, we know for sure that the products can get to be known faster.
After we have the product packaging area, where the finished product goes down a conveyor belt until it reaches an arch where it is packaged. The arch is connected to a scale where the sack is weighed for correct packaging. Then it passes to the right side where the sewing machine is located, to the sealing of the sack, and this passes to the pallets for transportation.
Storage of the finished product. With the rearrangement and modification of the storage area, we will improve the capacity that the warehouse can store and the management of merchandise, as well as an easier way of finding merchandise. Distribution of the product. With the help of logistics, we can improve and implement new routes inside the city to speed up the delivery from the company to the customer's place. This will help the company save delivery times and costs. Finally, we have confirm customer satisfaction. The improvement of this implemented method is of great help, since with the analysis of the customer's response, the company can analyze and rate the quality of the product, the delivery time, and the workers' attitude towards the clients.
Advantage and disadvantage. We will discuss the advantage and disadvantage of automating each stage of the production process, but first, we will fully analyze the process. Automating is now something very necessary to be able to be competitive in any industry. Many people think that it is something that requires heavy investment and that they are out of the reach. This depends on the level of automatization, since if you have machines, you can do in them and industrial control with low cost and very high profitability. Can increase the production capacity and give a faster response to customers, delivering products in an easier way and in less time. The advantage are it performs permanent repeatability, since once an automatization process has been implemented and debugged, the operation are repeat. It generates zero defects quality, A small business can build genuine relationship with the customer. The customer want a service of locality, a place where they can return because they feel comfortable. And the social media has created a new level playing field.
Now, disadvantages. Due to its inflexibility, it is extremely expensive or slow to adapt or change an automated process to produce different models of products made up of different parts. Also, trained personnel are required through the entire implementation process, from line and equipment design to regular maintenance and improvement modifications. This staff is very expensive and in short supply. Therefore, it's not quite easy to just simply replace a person without giving them the proper training prior to them beginning their employment.